Every industrial process creates airborne contaminants, dust, smoke, fumes. Every facility faces unique air quality challenges. Diversitech helps capture and control airborne contaminants. Cleaner air starts at the source. From welding fumes and grinding dust to sanding and material processing applications, portable extractors, downdraft tables, dust collectors, ambient air cleaners. Solutions engineered for cleaner air. Helping facilities improve safety, productivity, and operational performance. Because every facility is different, and every challenge requires the right solution. Cleaner air. Built for education. Better performance. Diversitech, engineering cleaner workplaces since 1984. Complete air control.